Hi guys, today at the plant table I will be talking about a very underrated but yet lovely household plant called Aglaonema, commonly known as Chinese evergreen. So Aglaonema, this is one of my favorite plant in my plant list. Aglaonemas are evergreen perennials which grows in the tropical rainforest, and they are basically famous for their beautiful beautiful vibrant foliages rather than their flowers. And if you see that your aglaonemas are growing flowers, then you can do one thing: you can clip out the flower, because it will help your plant to derive its energy towards leaves growing rather than flowering. Now moving toward the care. Aglaonemas are easy growing plants. They are very hardy, and these plants can tolerate low light condition. Okay, when I say low light condition, it doesn't mean we can keep the plant in anywhere in our house in a dark condition. No, it will not survive. We have to make sure that we have to keep these aglaonema plants in such a condition where the sun is partial. Okay. Now shifting towards watering, aglaonema prefers to keep moist during summer seasons and in the spring seasons, but make sure the soil is not too soggy. Okay, do not allow the lower portion of your pot to remain wet every time, because it may cause root rot to the plants. I personally water the plant in every 4 to 5 days during summer seasons and 2 to 3 days during winter seasons. In winter season we have to care the plant more. Make sure to dry the soil between every watering. Okay, you can see I have watered this plant recently and this soil is sticking to my fingers, so I will not water this plant for further 4 days, and after the 4 days I will again water this plant, but make sure to check the upper portion of the soil. If it sticks to your finger, that means it doesn't need any water, but if it doesn't stick to your finger, to make sure to water the plant. You can see the new leaves are coming out. This is rainy season, so most of the leaves comes out in the rainy seasons. You can see these is also coming out, these new leaves. Shifting towards fertilizers, every household plants need fertilizer, a proper fertilizer, because we prefer planting these plants into these pots. What happens every time when we water the plant, the water drains out of these pores. Okay, so with the water the nutrients also comes out, they drain out. So we need to fertilize these plants in every month. Hope you guys like this video. Wait for the next. Make sure to like my video. Thank you.